What happens when diplomatic ties are threatened by unprovoked attacks? When a single event sends ripples across the geopolitical landscape, altering the course of relations between nations. On a seemingly ordinary Tuesday, Iran launched a series of attacks in Pakistan. The targets? Bases of the militant group, Jaish al-Adl. This was not a random act of aggression. It was a calculated move, one that threatened to ignite tensions in an already volatile Middle East, a region convulsed by Israel's war on Hamas in the Gaza Strip. But the impact of the attacks extended beyond the immediate targets. Pakistan reported that the strikes resulted in the death of 2 children and left 3 others injured. It was an assault that Pakistan deemed an unprovoked violation of its airspace, a breach that could have far-reaching consequences. In the immediate aftermath, confusion reigned. Iran's state media reports on the attacks soon vanished, leaving behind a void filled with uncertainty and speculation. But one fact was clear: the attack inside nuclear-armed Pakistan by Iran held the potential to strain relations between the two countries. They had long viewed each other through a lens of suspicion, yet managed to maintain diplomatic relations. This attack could change that delicate balance. Adding to the complexity of the situation, this attack followed closely on the heels of Iranian strikes on Iraq and Syria. Tehran was lashing out, reeling from the sting of a dual suicide bombing claimed by the Sunni militant group, Islamic State, that had claimed over 90 lives earlier in the month. Iran's state-run IRNA news agency and state television reported that the strikes in Pakistan were carried out using missiles and drones. The English-language arm of Iranian state television, Press TV, attributed the attack to Iran's paramilitary Revolutionary Guard. In summary, an unprovoked attack by Iran on Pakistan, targeting bases of a militant group, resulted in civilian casualties and threatened to destabilize diplomatic relations. The attack, which followed Iranian strikes on Iraq and Syria, was part of a broader pattern of aggression by Tehran, triggered by a devastating suicide bombing. The potential implications of this attack are far-reaching, and its effects on the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East uncertain. Only time will reveal the true impact of this event.